Hi, this is Marty from the Doherty Garden. This is one of several unknown palm trees that are growing. This one I happen to know it's a clustering because you can see from the base that it's clustering. Beautiful little palm. I kept it over here for a while, as I have that one, and that one I got from the University of Miami is a tall, thin one. And that's another unknown. One day I have a general idea what they may be named, but until then, we're just concentrating on pulling the weeds, adding a little mulch, and later on we'll do some fertilizer. But right now I just wanted to say hello to everybody, and it's Sunday, sorry, Saturday. Wake up, Marty. It's kicking in. So we're in the healthy age of looking at the plants, going through all the last 60 days of freedom. So thank you for stopping by. Enjoy the plants. I'm just going crazy. But these particular weeds, which is like a vine type weed, anybody know the name of this little darling, let me know, because I want to give it recognition, because it literally took over the garden and back over here. So there's a lot of them all running around. You can see that, and it's just an annoying thing. So I am pulling them out right now and adding a little mulch to the base of my one unknown palm tree, a clustering palm tree, so I should be able to isolate a little bit of that. So thank you for stopping by. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you can find the subscribe button. I got 3 subscribers the other day, and I almost wanted to take a day off and doing some maintenance, but time must move on. Thank you for stopping by. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Any comments? If you're familiar with this unusual palm tree, let me know. Thank you. Bye-bye.